Let's build a clean login screen. You have this column with everything set, just the usual settings. So within it, we want a text that will say login, a text. So font size, we set it to 24 SP. And then font weight, we make it bold. So we import this one. So we need to add some spacer between it. So now let's add text field, and it requires value. For now, we'll set it to empty string, and then on value change, we'll just bring the curly bracket. There's another property called label. You can set tells what the input field will receive. So that one is a composable. Anything text that will be displayed on the screen, we use the text composable. You see, so it shows that this is an email input field. So now we have to add another spacer here. So let's make this one 8. So another input field below text field. And then we have the value set to empty string. And then we have on value change, set it to empty lambda. And then we label it as password. So now we have the 2 input field. So we can also center this thing. Okay, so this is cool now. And then we also need another spacer. Okay, so now let's add a button. So the button also requires on click. We'll make it empty lambda, and then the text label that says login. Alright, so this is a beautiful login screen. Right now it's just UI, no logic. So in the next video, we'll use state and then bring it to life. Like this video and subscribe. Thank you.